Welcome to next video in the Aptitude series. In this video, we are going to see second part of time and work. So, in this, I have taken a question like A and B can do a piece of work in 20 and 30 days respectively. Mention this first line. So, here I am writing the person's name A, B, and here I am going to write number of days. A can do in 20 days, B can do in 30 days. So now we need requirement of total work. So total work is LCM of this. When we do LCM for this 20 and 30, we are going to get 60 as LCM. 60 means 60 units. Let us consider like this. Then when we divide this total work with this number of days, we are going to get the number of units the persons can do in a day. So like units per day, you can say. Now 60 by 20, A can perform 3 units per day, and 60 by 30, B can do 2 units per day. Now let us move to second part in the question. They both start work together. So both start work together means A plus B doing the work. So A plus B doing the work means both can complete 3 plus 2, 5 units per day. This is units, 5 units. But after 8 days, A left. So up to 8 days, so here you can see up to 8 days they both work together, but after 8th day A is left. So now A is lefted. Rest of the work completed by the B alone. So now B is going to complete the work. Means then in how many days the total work will be completed. So they both can completed a work is 5 units into 8 days. Means they both completed a 40 units of work. Remaining is 20 units only. B alone can complete 2 units per day. 2 units, and remaining is 20 units of work. So this 20 units going to complete in 10 days. So how many days total work will be completed means this 10 plus this 8. 10 plus 8, 18 days. The total this 60 units of work will going to complete. So this is the answer for this question. So let us move to next question. Now second question is A, B and C can complete a piece of work in 15, 20, 30 days respectively. So let us mention the given data. Here I am writing person's name A, B and C. I am mentioning here the number of days the person is going to complete the work 15, 20, 30, and we need a requirement of total work. So for total work I am taking the LCM of this. The LCM of this is 60. 60 means 60 units of work. After this I am taking units per day. So T by 15 is 4 units per day A can do, and 60 by 20 means 3 units per day. 60 by this 30 means 2 units per day. Now the first part of the question is completed. Then what he asked, A, B and C all together start the work. After 4 days A left the work. So for this A plus B plus C do the work for the 4 days. 4 days they has done the work units. So altogether can complete 9 units per day. So up to now they are completed 9 4 36 units. After 4 days A left the work. Now after next 2 days B also left the work. So again for the 2 days, so B plus C can do the work like 5 units per day. Then this is how these both are completed 10 units. Now rest of the work completed by the C, then how many days the total work will be completed. So 30 plus this 10, which is 46. Now 60 minus 46 is leftover work is 14 units. Now C alone is going to complete the work, so he can perform 2 units per day, like he can complete 14 units in 7 days. Now the last part of the question is, then in how many days total work will be completed. So this 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 7, which is 13 days. So the total work completed in, let us see next question. So the question given like A, B and C can complete a piece of work in 10, 15 and 30 days respectively. So let us mention the given data. So I am writing here person's name, persons. Then here I am writing number of days. A can complete in 10 days, 15, 30 days respectively. So I am considering total work. For that I am taking LCM of this. So if I consider LCM for these numbers, we are going to get 60 as 60 units. At other side I am taking here units per day. So when this 60 going to divide by 10, we are going to get units per day of the A. So here we get 6, here we get 4, here we get 2. So let us move to next part of this question. So he asked like they work on alternative days. A first start the work. At first day A going to work, at second day B, in third day C, again in fourth day B, fourth day A, fifth B, sixth C. So this is going to repeated. So after every 3 days of repetition, they are going again, the same person will come. A going to complete in 1 day 6 units and B 4, similarly C 2 units. Both all together in 3 days going to complete like 6 plus 4 10, 10 plus 2 12 units. So in 3 days they work individually and completing 12 units of work. For every repetition of 3 days they are going to complete 12 units. So now this 60 units going to complete by 12 units, means at fifth repetition of this 3 days the 60 units of work will going to complete. So I think you have get an idea. So for fifth repetition of 3 days this is going to complete. So this 12 units completing in 3 days, this again next 3 days again 12 units are completing. So up to here this 6, up to here 6 days are completed. So for this 5 3 ja 15 days is required. So up to here 15 days is going to take to complete the whole work. So the final answer is 15 days. See here, for the same data I have taken another question. So they are working in this fashion, like at first day all together are going to work. At very next day only B and C are working. At third day only C is working. So after every repetition of 3 days they are again working together. So for today they again working together. So at first day they are going to complete 6 plus 4 10, 10 plus 2 12 units of work. At next day they are going to complete 4 plus 2 6 units of work. At the third day C alone completing 2 units of work. So for every repetition of these 3 days they are going to complete 12 plus 6 18, 18 plus 2 20 units of work. So for 60 days, for 60 units, for every repetition of 3 days 20 units of work is going to complete. So this take 3 repetitions of 3 days. So for first repetition of 3 days it is going to complete 20 units, and again for second repetition 40 units, and for third repetition 60 units of work going to complete. So 1 3 ja 3 3 ja. So totally for total work they are going to complete in 9 days. So this is our final answer.